Well, good morning, everybody. We've come down to West Street to say hello to Toby. And fortunately, the house is all locked up and there's no Toby. So we're going for a dawdle. Thought we were going for a walk, but she's changed the walk into a dawdle. She's just taking her sweet time, dawdling about. Yeah, I don't want to get too close to the weeds because they stick in her fur, and I've already had to go and pluck all the seeds out of her fur this walk. So I don't want it to do it again. So this is just a little pond, this one. Just to slow down the creek. And everything's very wet. She's trying so hard to get into those reeds, or to the weeds, because that's where the birdies are hiding. But also that's where all the yucky seeds are. Seeds wouldn't be so bad, but they've got a prong, like a crab's claw on the end of them, and they just stick to everything and they don't let go. There's a doggy off leash over there. Not supposed to be off leash. This is a leashed park. No, I'm not going after the little starling. Cute little starling. We're not going after those ducks. She wants the starlings. And we'll stick to this side because of that off-leash dog. Oh, it's a boy and a girl. They paired up for the season, breeding season. Come on there, sweetie. She's getting tired. So, come on then, little one. We'll go up here. This is a vet up on here on the right. See the sign. That's where I dropped off that guinea pig. Haven't heard anything. I've checked the RSPCA website a couple of times and there's nothing on that. So it hasn't been handed into the RSPCA. Could be that somebody's picked it up. Said that's my guinea pig. Just hope that's the case. See you later, everyone. Take care. Have a fantastic day.